EagleXpress is a declining currency payment method that can be used at a variety of on- and off-campus locations. EagleXpress accounts are connected to every Eagle card and start at a $0 balance. Loading money or using EagleXpress is quick and easy. To add funds to an EagleXpress account, please visit GeorgiaSouthern.edu/EagleCard. Navigate to the EagleXpress link in the navigation bar. Click Make a Deposit. Once there, you can add funds to your account by logging in with your My Georgia Southern login. If you are a parent or guardian and want to add funds to a student's account, enter that student's last name and Eagle ID number to log in. Enter the deposit amount and select the payment method. Then, click Next. Here, you will enter your payment information to proceed with making the deposit. Upon reaching the next page, you will see a confirmation of your deposit criteria. After reviewing your deposit information, click Make Deposit to complete your transaction and to finish your deposit. You may send yourself an email receipt of your deposit from this page. Now you have successfully added funds to your EagleXpress account to use with your Eagle card. Thank you for using EagleXpress, and if you have any questions, please visit the Eagle Card Services website at GeorgiaSouthern.edu/EagleCard.